Hello everyone. Today I am going to briefly share with you an important topic called emotional intelligence. You all must be knowing about IQ, which is nothing but intelligent quotient, but I am going to discuss what is called as emotional intelligence. So what is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use and manage emotions in a positive way, to handle your stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome the challenges and then diffuse the conflicts. IQ and EQ, they exist in tandem. EQ is essential to develop good relationship, succeed in college and schools, achieve career and personal goals, and not only that, to inculcate certain leadership quality and work in a team. It consists of self-regulating, self-awareness, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Some have the inborn gift of good emotional intelligence, but don't get disheartened because emotional intelligence can be learnt. So it depends on nature and as well as nurture. Now there is not everything good about emotional intelligence, because if someone is having too much of emotional intelligence, he can lack certain amount of creativity and innovation potential because he over empathizes, what we call as anubhuti in Kannada. Sympathy is sahanubhuti. Empathy is required, but it can't be an hurdle in your own career path. How do you develop an emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence can be improved by asserting yourself, by responding and not reacting, and actively listening. So thereby you take control of the situation. There are certain responses when there is an emotional intelligence. It could be a physiological response following the emotional interaction. It could be a behavioral response, or it could be a subjective response. It all helps how you handle the situation. If that was about improvising the emotional intelligence, how to identify a person within your vicinity having less emotional intelligence, a person who becomes emotionally outbursting or not able to listen, who is very sensitive to criticisms, or who keeps blaming others for his failure, doesn't know how to manage relationship. It will be a challenge for you to handle such people. In order to deal with people having less emotional intelligence when you are working as a team, you need to set boundaries, talk to them about the problems, make them try to understand how they are reacting, improve their listening skills. If not, sometimes you have to cut ties, otherwise that will disturb how you manage your emotions. How does emotional intelligence interfere in your health? Today, we are all witnessing a huge surge in lifestyle induced disorders. What we call it as ineffective stress management. This is mainly because we are not able to improvise our emotional intelligence. In order to understand ourselves, be a part of the society that we live, and achieve the personal and career goals, one has to develop a good emotional intelligence. Thank you for listening.